These are the kitties available for adoption at Pinellas County Animal Services. I'm starting with Frankie. Frankie had a benign cyst removed on his side. I'll show you. Come here, Frankie. Sit down. Watch out. Sit down. There we go. Well, you can kind of see it there. And he's doing better. He's got the cone of shame on his head, and he's available for adoptions. He's all better. He's ready to rock and roll. I know you don't feel good. That's because of all those stitches. Yeah. But Frankie is inside the bubble room at Pinellas County Animal Services. And Frankie's number, if you're interested in adopting this kitty, is 313-966. The next kitty for adoptions is a gray kitty, 313-818. Feeling really secure in his kitty litter box. We have Quinn. Quinn is 313-767. A delightful young cat of, I don't know how old he is, but he's friendly and he likes other cats. Simon is taking his siesta. Hey, Simon. Simon is 312-068. He's 10 years old, so if you're looking for a senior kitty, Simon is your man. We have another black kitty, Meow Meister. You're going to meow for me? 313-918. Only 1 year of age. An all black kitty. So please come to Pinellas County Animal Services to adopt your next forever cat. Thank you.